Hello viewers, most of them get answer 192 for this problem, wrong order. Here 12 divided by 3 is 4 plus 2 power 3 times 5 minus 1 in bracket whole power 2. Here 4 plus this 2 power 3 is 8 times 5 minus 1 in bracket whole power 2. Here 4 plus 8 is 12 times here 5 minus 1 in bracket whole power 2. Here 12 times 5 minus 1 is 4 to the power of 2. Here 12 times this 4 square is 16. Here 12 times 16 is here 190. 2 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, PEMDAS, this 192 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority, this is a exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 12 divided by 3 plus 2 power 3 times here 5 minus 1 is 4 to the power of 2. Here the next priority is the exponent. Here we have the exponent, so we have to do this exponent before the division, addition and multiplication. So 12 divided by 3 plus here the exponent is 2 power 3 is 8 times here 4 square is 16. Now moving to next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one, 12 divided by 3. So we have to do this before this multiplication and addition. Here 12 divided by 3 is 4 plus 8 times 16. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 4 plus here 8 times 16 is 128. Here 4 plus 128 is 130. 2 is the correct answer.